Got a 2023 Dodge Hornet GT 2.0. That's what it sounds like before. This is all stock still. Can't even hear it. Barely hear it. There's sound decibels. It might have been road noise. So yeah, we're gonna do a muffler delete on it. We'll let you guys hear it when we're finished and let you see. All right, guys, 2023 Dodge Hornet GT, the 2.0. Showed you guys what it sounded like before. I showed you the setup underneath, so this is it. So I don't know if that's a resonator or a converter. Try to look in the system, but it's not in the system yet. So then down into the system, then we did a rear muffler delete right there with a white pipe, custom white pipe. There it is up the back. And that's the old muffler that we took off. It was a stock, single in, dual out on each side. So there it is. Open it up some more, give it some sound. So we'll let you guys hear it. Remember guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Sound decibels. Let you guys hear it on the inside. The 2023 Dodge Hornet GT 2.0 muffler delete.